Hello everyone, I am Anshika and today I would like to tell you some latest news about the world. So let's get started. So first news is from Olympics where in javelin thrown competition Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem has won gold medal and India's Neeraj Chopra has won silver medal. The second news is from Olympics as well where Vinesh Fogart, a wrestler disqualified for the finals because of the overweighting as she gained 2 kilos after the semi-finals, but she works hard to reduce the weight, but she reduced only 1.5 kg and disqualified for the finals. Third news is from Donali in Nathwawala as two boys are met with an accident as a truck ran over them, but unfortunately a boy died on the spot and the another boy was admitted on the hospital and now he is in ICU. So thank
Everyone,
you.
my name is Arshini and today I would like to tell you some news of the world. My first news is from Olympic where Neeraj Chopra won silver medal in javelin throw competition and Pakistan's Azhar Nadeem won gold medal. My second news is that one uncle has passed away in my neighborhood because of drowning. He was coming home from work and that day it rained heavily. There is a drain which have lots of water and the uncle drowned. The next news is from Olympic as well where Vinesh Fogart, a wrestler of India, got disqualified because of overweight. She defeated everyone, but actually she put on extra weight before her final fight. Actually, she put 2 kg extra weight to reduce the weight. She worked hard whole night, but she reduced only 1.9 kg weight and she got disqualified at the end. I would like to tell you one more bad news in which Donali, two minor boys met an accident in which a loader hit the boys and run away. One boy died on spot and another boy take him to hospital and right now he is in ICU. I pray for his speedy recovery. Thank
Hello
you.
everyone, my name is Aditi and today I would like to tell you some news of the world. First news is from Olympics in which Neeraj Chopra won silver medal in javelin throw competition and Pakistan's Arshad Nadeem has won gold medal. Second news is that one uncle has died in my neighborhood because of drowning as he was coming home from his work and that night it rained heavily and there was a drain in which there was lots of water and uncle drowned in it. The third news is from Olympics as well in which Vinesh Fogart, an Indian wrestler, got disqualified because of overweight. She gained 100 gram extra before her final fight. Earlier she defeated everyone and get qualified for final fight. But unfortunately she put on 100 gram extra and she worked hard she gained 2 kg extra and she worked hard whole night to reduce her weight, but she could able to reduce only 1.9 kg of her weight and got disqualified. At last I would like to tell you one more bad news. Yesterday at Donali, two minor boys met with an accident in which a loader hit them and ran over them. One boy died on the spot, and the another one was taken to the hospital, and he is in ICU right now. And I pray for his speedy recovery.
My name is Aditya Negi, and today I will tell you some news of the world. The first news is from Olympic, and Neeraj Chopra won silver medal and Arshid Nadeem from Pakistan won gold medal. The second news is one uncle has passed away in my neighborhood because of drowning as he coming back from his home from his work. That day it rained heavily and there was a huge rain in which there was lot of water and the uncle drained in it. The third news is from Olympic as well, where an Indian wrestler Vinesh Fogart has disqualified for his final weight as a overweight. She defeated everyone and qualified for her final. She put on 100 gram extra weight. Actually, she put on 2 kg extra weight, but whole night she practiced and reduced her 1.9 kg weight and got disqualified. At last, I will tell you some another bad news. In Donali, there were 2 minor boys met with an accident. One loader hit the boys and run over them. One boy died on the spot and another boy was taken to hospital and he was in ICU. I pray for his
My name is Aditya Nautyal, and today I would like to tell about some latest news. The first news is about Aman Sherawat. He is a wrestler. He won bronze medal in Olympic. He played very well and made India proud. He is just 21 years old. And second news is from Dunali, in which 2 boys met with an accident. The one boy died on the spot and second boy was taken to hospital, and both the boys are minor. And the last news is from Olympic as well, in which Neeraj Chopra won silver medal in men's javelin throw, and Arshad Nadeem from Pakistan won gold, and in hockey India won bronze medal. Thank you.
My name is Devansh Nautyal, and today I would like to tell about some latest news. So the first news is about Aman Sherawat. He is a wrestler and he won bronze medal in wrestling, and he is only 21 years old. And the second news is from Dunali, where 2 boys died and where 2 boys met with an accident and one died on the spot and the second one is taken to hospital and he is in ICU, and both boys were minors. And the latest news is from Olympics, where Neeraj Chopra won silver medal in men's javelin throw, and Arshad Nadeem from Pakistan won gold medal in javelin throw, and India won bronze medal in hockey. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Vaishnavi, and today I would like to tell you some news about the world. My first news is from Olympics. Neeraj Chopra, a player of India, won silver medal in javelin throw competition, and Arshad Nadeem of Pakistan won gold medal. My second news is that one uncle in my neighborhood has passed away. He died because of drowning as he was coming home from his work, and that day it was rain heavily and he drowned in the drain.
My name is Ayush Rawat, and today I would like to tell some latest news. And first news is that about some Aman Sherawat. He is an wrestler and he won the bronze medal in Olympics, and he made India proud, and he is just 21 years old. And second news is in Donali. Yesterday 2 boys met with an accident and one boy died on the spot, and second one is in hospital and he is in ICU.
My name is Daksh and today I am here to tell some latest news about world. The first news is from Olympics, in which India's hockey team and Aman Sherawat won bronze medal respectively. And second news is from Olympics as well, in which Arshad Nadeem, player of Pakistan, won gold medal, and Neeraj Chopra, player of India, won silver medal. And the third news is from Olympics as well, in which Vinesh Fogart, a wrestler of India, has disqualified for finals because of overweight. Actually, she has got 2.7 kg weight before the final match, and she do hard work before the day and lose 2.6 kg weight only, but the 100 grams has got loose and she are disqualified, and she has appealed to the authorities to give her silver medal at least. And the last news is from Denali, in which two minor boys are died, and one of them died on the spot, and second one is in hospital right now.
My name is Susank and today I would like to talk about the latest news from the world. My first news is about a wrestler whose name is Aman Sherawat. He won a bronze medal in wrestling and he make India so proud, and he was just 21 years old. And my second news is from Donali, in which two boys met with an accident, in which one boy died on the spot and the second boy take to the hospital, and he was in ICU, and they both are minor.
Everyone, my name is Aditya and today I would like to tell you some latest news. The first news is from Olympics, where in javelin throw competition Arshad Nadeem won gold medal, and India's Neeraj Chopra won gold medal. In last Olympics in Tokyo, Neeraj Chopra won the gold medal. The second news is also from Olympics as well, where Indian men's hockey and wrestler Aman Sherawat won bronze medal respectively in hockey and wrestling. And the third news is from Olympics as well, where the India's wrestler Vinesh Fogart got disqualified. She defeated everyone and entered in a final, but unfortunately she got disqualified because of overweight. Actually, she had put on 2 kg after the semi-finals, and the whole night before finals she worked hard to reduce it, but she can only reduce 1.9 kg and got disqualified because of 100 gram. She appealed to the authority to give her silver medal, and she has also taken retirement.
My name is Advika and today I would like to tell you about the latest news in the world. The first one is, yesterday at night, two boys met with an accident at Denali, and one boy died on the spot, and the another one is admitted in hospital. He is in ICU. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Aparna and today I would like to tell you some news about the world. The first news is from Olympics, in which Neeraj Chopra won silver medal in javelin throw competition, and India's men's hockey won bronze medal. And in wrestling, Aman Sherawat won Aman Shehrawat also won bronze medal in wrestling in javelin throw competition. Pakistan's Harshad Nadeem and India's India's Neeraj Chopra won gold and silver medal respectively.
Everyone, my name is Athab Hussain and I tell you some news. The first news from Olympics, the Neeraj Chopra won a silver medal Japanese throw competition. Pakistan Harshad Nadeem won gold medal. One uncle has passed away in my neighborhood. And he come him home work and that day rained heavily and there lots of water.
Hello everyone, my name is Alok. Today I would like to talk about latest news about world. My first news is Aman Shehrawat. He is a wrestler. Yesterday he won bronze medal Olympic and he play very well. He play very well and made India proud. He just 21 years old.
Here is about Aman Shehrawat. He is wrestler and he won bronze medal in Olympic. He proud, made India proud, and he is just 21 year old. And the second news is from Donali. Two boys met with in accident. One boy is dead on the spot. Another boy he is taken in hospital and he is ICU. And
My name is Shani and today I would like to talk about news. And my first news is about Aman Shehrawat, and he was a wrestler and yesterday he won the bronze medal in the Olympics and he was only 21 years old. My second news is about the two boys and they are from and the one boy was died and the another boy. My name is Radha and today I would like to tell all some latest news about the world. The first news is Aman Shehrawat. He is a wrestler and he won bronze medal in and he played very well and he won proud in India and he is 21 years old. Thank you.
Everyone, today my name is Ruddhi and today I will tell you some news. My first news is about Aman Shehrawat. He is wrestler and yesterday he won bronze medal in Olympics. He played very well and made India proud. He is just 21 years old. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Shubhashri. I would like to tell you some latest news of the world. The first news is about Aman Sarawat. Aman Sarawat is a wrestler who won bronze medal in Olympic and made India proud by playing very well. Then I would like to tell you the second news. The second news is from Donali. Two boys met with an accident in Donali, and one boy is in ICU and one boy got dead in the spot. Then I would like to tell you some news.
Second news for Donali. Two boys met with an accident. One met with an accident. One boy died on the spot, and the second boy admit in the hospital is in ICU. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bipin Mina and today I would like to tell you some latest news the world. The first news is about the Aman Sarawat. He is a wrestler and yesterday he won bronze medal in Olympics. He played very well.
My name is Kisum Kumar Malik. Here I will. And today I would like to tell you some news. And my first news is about Aman